Hi, it's Don here. Welcome to Local Alchemist AI. In this video, I will walk you through the platform, from the customer-facing experience to the WordPress setup behind the scenes, so you can see how everything works together. For this demo, I have branded the customer-facing site as Local Success Studio. A local business owner can get started with just a Google Business Profile link or a business name. From there, they can access AI-powered services for improving their profile, building their reputation, creating social content, publishing local articles, and planning their marketing. And as you look through the site, notice that everything is presented around the result the customer wants. They don't need to understand complicated software. They can simply choose the kind of help they need, see exactly what they will receive, and move forward. So from the first visit, it feels like a ready-to-use local marketing service. This shows how your version can look with your logo, colors, and offer. The homepage does the explaining for you. It introduces the main benefits, shows the different services, adds social proof, and gives the visitor a clear next step. So whether you plan to sell these services directly or use the system inside an agency, the front end already feels professional and easy to understand. Let us go through it. I will enter Smith HVAC in Knoxville, and the system will search for the matching Google Business Profile. It finds Smith Heating and Air, along with the category, address, rating, and review count. Once I confirm that is the right business, I can create the account with an email address and password. That is all it takes to give Local Alchemist AI a real business identity to start working with. You will notice I don't need to type a profile or fill out a form. The lookup brings in business details and keeps the first step quick. Now we are inside the customer dashboard. I can see the recommended next step, business information, website status, free audits, available credits, and a simple 30-day focus. When I open the audit, it shows the trust signals in place, the biggest opportunities, and a practical action plan. So instead of guessing, I know what is working and what I should improve first. I can jump into either audit whenever I want a closer look at the details. Next, I will add some more context in the business profile. This includes the confirmed Google identity, core details, audience, positioning, brand voice, contact information, service areas, and local notes. I stay in control and only save the changes I want. Then the website snapshot report reviews the homepage with permission and pulls in services, local relevance, contact paths, trust signals, offers, and brand presence. That gives the AI useful, detailed, business-specific information instead of asking the owner to start from a completely blank page. I will head to Grow My Business and choose a result. I will select the Google Profile Improvement Service, choose an image pack, and add optional brand details or a promotion. Services use credits, so I will choose a one-time pack or monthly option. Once checkout is complete, the updated balance is ready to use. This keeps ordering simple for the customer and makes the cost of each service easy to understand. Once the work is finished, I will find everything under my results. This Google Profile Growth Pack starts with 8 recommended fixes, 12 ready-to-use posts, 7 banners, and 4 optional photo makeovers. I can work through each fix, from business hours and categories to services and authentic photos. The 30-day post section gives me prepared copy with matching graphics, and the media area keeps all the visuals together. So I am not getting another report. I am getting actions and assets I can actually publish. I can copy or download items individually, or grab the complete media pack in one go. As I move between the tabs, everything stays connected to the same order, so the customer never has to hunt through emails or separate folders. The 30-day social calendar works the same way. I get 30 planned posts, Facebook and Instagram copy, and 30 matching images. I can quickly scan the whole month, open any day, review the visual and caption, then copy the text or download the image. That makes it much easier to approve, schedule, and publish consistent local content. I can move from planning to finished content without having to create every caption and graphic from scratch. And if I want longer form content, the local article library gives me 10 articles, 10 featured images, 10 social posts, and a 5-week publishing plan. I can open any article, review the image and complete copy, then copy either the article or the HTML. I also get a matching social post and featured image prompt. And the publishing plan shows me what to release each week, so the whole bundle is usable right away. That means the customer knows not only what content they have, but also when and how to use it. Next is the 30-day marketing action plan. It shows me the best monthly opportunity with a simple now, next, and later view. The calendar breaks everything into weekly tasks and clearly tracks my progress. I also get a focused campaign with the goal, offer, audience, and tracking approach, plus a scoreboard for success measures, decisions, and implementation tasks. I can check off actions as I complete them, which makes the plan feel practical instead of overwhelming and keeps the whole team on the same page. The local Google Growth Plan gives me a clear, practical, search-focused roadmap. In the 60-second summary, I can see 3 priority fixes, 6 page opportunities, 10 recommended actions, and an agency-ready pack. It also shows the main problems and opportunities alongside an SEO readiness score. Under page opportunities, I can separate existing pages that need improvement from new pages worth creating, including extra service and location ideas. So whether I am using this for my own business or for clients, I know exactly where to start. The suggestions are grouped clearly, so I can turn the strategy into a prioritized website content plan without doing extra research first. So that is the customer experience. I will take you behind the scenes and show you how I install the platform. This is the part the site owner will set up once. I will start with a fresh WordPress website. In plugins, I will search for Vivid Backup plugin. Then I will install it and activate it. I will use this tool to bring the supplied Local Alchemist AI site package into WordPress. Once it's active, I can open the backup and restore workspace inside the dashboard. This means I can run Local Alchemist AI on a WordPress site I control while giving customers a polished, purpose-built experience. I am doing this on a clean installation, so you can see the starting point rather than a site that has already been configured. I will open the Upload tab, choose the backup package, and wait for the upload to finish. When it's ready, the backup appears in the list. I will click Restore, confirm the action, and let Vivid import the files and data. I can follow progress in the log, and I will get a message as soon as it's complete. At that point, my empty WordPress installation has been replaced with the prepared Local Alchemist AI site. I don't need to rebuild pages, recreate settings, or install each platform component separately. The Restore package handles all that setup for me in one simple, guided restore process. Now I can log in through the branded Local Success Studio screen. As soon as I am inside, I can see the restored workspace with its navigation and interface built over WordPress. The branded experience carries through to the admin side too. From the dashboard, I can check business activity, recent service orders, and the foundations that keep delivery running smoothly. I will open Quick Start. Here, 9 of 10 checks are already complete, covering updates, admin security, the AI connection, payments, email sending, and the final readiness review. I can use the buttons beside each item to finish anything that is missing without searching through menus. I will look at the commerce side. Under payment methods, I can choose and connect the payment gateway I want to use. I can also manage orders, subscriptions, reports, and member access from their own dedicated screens. And inside services, I will find the ready-made offers from the front end, plus space to add my own custom products and services. Orders show payment and fulfillment status. The subscription view keeps recurring customers organized, and members gives me a quick, useful view of account access and available credits. To add a custom offer, I will open the service editor and connect it to a store product. I will enter the service name, internal key, description, featured image, publication status, and handoff method. I can choose how the service is recommended and how the final result is delivered. That lets me tailor the workflow without rebuilding the customer-facing experience. That is where the benefits of using Local Alchemist Fortune come in. After this quick installation, you now have the exact site ready to use, with the front end, back end, payments, service delivery, and AI workflow already built in. All that is left is to customize the branding and make it yours, so you can focus on launching, selling, and serving your own customers. Thanks for watching, and see you inside.